Welcome back to Coyote Classics. Today we're checking out a wicked 1969 Pontiac GTO.
And that's from a roll, and it just goes. Look at this. Front end comes up. This thing doesn't need a damn thing, man. Yeah, it's awesome. Awesome car.
Just a beautiful car, great stance. Love the black with the white bucket seat interior. This is an older frame-off restoration, so it's got a beautiful undercarriage, great sound and dual exhaust.
Yeah, it's got nice tips on it too. Beautiful exhaust tips come out under the back bumper.
Beautiful black paint. They did a nice job when they jammed it too.
Yeah, they did a beautiful job, didn't they? It's got a BFG, brand new spare, jacks in there, spackling is all awesome. It's got a bazooka sub.
Yep, bazooka sub, sound system.
Looks like the wiring and stuff all looks good back in here too. It's just something to note, Dalton. See all the wiring and how everything's nice and clean.
Did a nice job. I picked this one up in St. Louis and got to drive it a little bit through St. Louis. It's a ton of fun to drive. I mean, just turn the key, fires right up. It handles good. It sounds good. You know, going 25 mile an hour. Kick it down, you'll break the tires loose.
It's a cocky looking car. Look at it under the hood. Beautiful engine bay, and look at this. It's got the complete Ram Air setup, functional.
Yeah. And this is a correct
YS code, which would have been an automatic GTO engine.
It does not seem stock. You know, it's got great torque, fun, fast.
Engine bay's really nice as well. It's got the antifreeze overflow here, power steering, power disc brakes up front. It just handles great.
A nice job on the cowl too. The trim tag's really nice and clean. All the cowls painted black. Beautiful black paint.
How about hideaway headlights? There's nothing better than a GTO with hideaway headlights.
Yeah, they look great.
They line up pretty decent as well.
Yeah, they do. Hood paint's beautiful. Very typical of the GTO. You do have some little cracks in that Enduro bumper. Now, especially being black, they're harder to see, but you do have some of those typical cracks. The nice thing is this front nose is in really good shape. Most of the time you'll see, and they'll have a big chip out of the front nose. This one looks pretty good. Grill's beautiful. Your marker lights work, hideaways work, your side marker lights work.
As far as your hood tack, that works and lights up as well. It's got the dual chrome mirrors. Door handles look nice, wheel well trim, rocker molding all looks good as well. Just a great looking car.
Door handles look newer. They did a nice job in the jam paint on the doors. Got a great shine. Corner of the doors, excellent.
Definitely a show quality car through and through. Rubbers are all nice. Felts are all replaced as well.
Parchment door panels look great.
Yeah.
Seats line up nice too.
That's a great car.
It does have the factory radio on the dashboard. It's got a newer radio in the glove box. Interior dome lights work. Headliners nice and tight. Back package tray looks good. I love a 69 GTO.
And the nice thing about this one, the paint, the interior, the mechanics, everything is just in great shape. You can just jump in and take it right to a car show or a cruise night right away.
Yeah, absolutely.
Pretty much all our cars are that way.
Yeah. Yeah, I was impressed with, you know, especially when you're in a bigger city driving it, you know, and there's all the stoplights and stuff like that with the old cars. You know, this one just seemed, I was very comfortable in it driving in traffic with this GTO. Quarters, nice and straight.
Yeah, for a black car, it looks sharp, don't it?
Yeah, it does. Back bumper looks new. Tips look great. You do have a tiny little cracker out that GTO emblem. When they tighten that, they maybe put it a little too tight. Spoiler looks great. Trunk lid lines up nice. Back glass is clean. Little scuff here, which I think would probably buff out.
The guy built this to drive, you know what I mean?
Door panel looks good.
It's beautiful. Remote mirror as well. Yeah, like you said, the seats line up great.
I like the wheels too, front disc brakes and a good stance.
It has an awesome stance. I mean, this is just the epitome of a 69 GTO. It's gorgeous.
Yeah, sweet
Color
car.
combo, stance, wheels, everything about it.
Here's your radio in the glove box. Got a nice sound system.
This is a sweet car. I absolutely love the feel of it.
Yeah, it does. Feels nice. Got some auxiliary gauges down here. You carry great oil pressure. Amp gauge works, and the temp gauge also works.
Hood tack works up there as well. Dash lights all work too.
Dash lights work, and the hood tack light works. Horn works. Heater fan works too, I believe.
Yep, I can hear it.
Wipers work.
Gas gauge works as well, Dalton. Every time they come in, we always double check. Fill them up with gas, make sure the gauge is accurate.
That black paint's beautiful outside. You can see the reflection of those clouds and the trees. It's pretty torquey, huh?
Yeah.
Lay some rubber, got some tire smoke.
And look how straight it goes down the road.
Yeah, it handles nice. This is
Tight.
fun.
The suspension, the steering gear, the brakes, look at this. Everything is super tight on it.
The fun thing with it too is like even just to do lay those black marks you did there, you don't have to brake standing up. You just hit the throttle and it brakes loose.
You want to turn the radio
It's got
up?
some great torque. Oh yeah, still got that rolling.
Idles beautifully. What a car. Good job, Dalton.
Thanks. Yeah, it's fun.
Thanks, Mark, for selling it to us.
Yeah.
Beautiful car. And that's from a roll, and it just goes. Look at this. Front end comes up. 75 just like that, and the front end is tight. The alignment is awesome. It seals up really good in here. It's really torquey, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. It's great. Turbo 400.
Look at this.
Kick downward.
I'm in love with it. No matter what. Yeah, I'm in love with it. No matter. I can't talk.
This thing's got Chad so excited he can't even finish
can't
his
talk.
sentence. It's a great car.
It is. It's the weather too.
Yeah.
The weather helps. The weather's got me so I can't talk. No wonder why you were so excited about purchasing is what I meant to say.
Yeah, it's a fun car.
Let's just we'll drive her normal all the way back. As far as our steering goes, look at this. Nice and tight, steers beautifully. Wish every single one of the classic cars drives this way.
Yeah.
You know, a lot of money went into this car to get it this way.
Yeah, it's just nice because I feel like this one, you know, whoever ends up with it, it's just an easy car. You know, fires up, drives good.
Sounds badass.
Yep.
Good oil pressure still after it's warmed up. You can see the temp gauge now is about 120.
Even there, rolling, and you kick it
I mean,
loose.
it just breaks them loose. This
Drives
thing
awesome.
doesn't need a damn thing, man.
Yeah,
It's
drives
awesome. Awesome car.
A lot of fun too.
Looks like we're running about 2,700 RPM at 62, 65, something like that. Probably 373s, 355s.
Good
No,
stance
it's
and look.
323s in this.
There's your lever for the ram air down there.
Cool.
Sweet car. Check it out on the website, coyoteclassics.com. You can be the next one to squeal tires in this badass 1969 Pontiac GTO.